Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shawna here, and I am back with another Wantable unboxing. So right now I'm getting both the active edit and the style edit. I just put out a video for the active edit, and so this is my style edit, and I'm actually really excited to see what's in here. The box is like bursting, so it just is calling for me to open it. I've had kind of good luck with Wantable. My active box was pretty good actually. I liked a lot of the stuff in there. There's only one miss, and so I hope we have it that good with this one. All right, let's see. This bundle looks big and I think it's gonna rip. Ooh, okay, I can't really hold it. Oh, that looks like fun. All right, let's see. Here are my prices. I'm not gonna look really. My stylist is Ayla. I feel like I get a different stylist every time, which is fine. I don't mind, but I don't wanna look too closely. All right, here we go. All right, we have like a heathered kind of sweater. It's by Z Supply. It's super stretchy and crazy soft. Heather gray, looks crew neck. Looks kind of wide, but really cozy. All right, we'll try that on. Okay, what is this? All right, here is a turtleneck. It's cream, which seems like a really classic cut to me, and the turtleneck is ribbed. It's super soft. Yeah, it looks like a really classic cut. It looks fitted. So, which I don't mind. That is gonna be really cute. All right, what's next? This is t-shirt material, and it's just a t-shirt. It's like oatmeal maybe. Nothing too special, but my goodness, I'm not going anywhere too special. So the hem, I'll show you when I try it on. It's a rounded hem, but it's just a cute little t-shirt. So that depends on the price and the fit and all that. What is this? So this has a really neat kind of waffled fabric. I love this color. It's a V-neck. Looks like a little bit puffy arms. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, I'm looking forward to trying that on. It's by Wantable. Okay, this is a sweater. It's crew neck, but look at it. It looks like a sweater that my dad would have worn. In the 90s, oh my god. But that's like the style right now. And it's really soft. It's by Skies Are Blue. It's really soft. I like it actually. All right, we'll see how it looks on. Oh my god, there's so much in here. Tie-dye, which I think somebody posted in my last box, like, all they do is tie-dye, which I don't disagree. Tie-dye and animal print are all the rage right now, which I'm not totally, I mean, I definitely have some tie-dye and some animal print, but it's gotten a little out of hand. Oh, just a little bit. Okay, this is by Supply and Demand, and this feels like just regular cotton jogger, like almost pajama material. It's very thin, like, but doesn't seem super stretchy, but it definitely has some stretch. So I'll have to try those on and see how those are perfect, like lounging pants, it seems. Okay, and then last but not least, Vigoss Marley Mid-Rise Skinny. Let's look at those. I've had some Vigoss before, and they were great, actually. I like the wash on them. There's not too much distressing, just a little bit. And it always fits well, at least they have in the past, so I'll try that on and see how it looks. All right, I have a lot of trying on to do. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and it's really cute. This shirt is cute. Like, I just haven't seen anything like this recently. The fabric is really cool. It's kind of a textured waffle. I like the V-neck. Even these little sleeves are fun. It's a little bit short, but I don't think it's bad. It's not terrible. I mean, if I moved around too much, it could get a little short, but this is a mid-rise jean. With a high-rise, I think it would be no problem at all. Okay, tell me what you think about the jeans, because my husband is very critical of jeans, and he was like, oh, those are cute. I like the wash on them, and the fit is good too. I just had a really amazing experience at Madewell. I went to the store. I usually like go to Nordstrom's or I get Madewell jeans in my box, and I just haven't found the perfect ones. I did get some good black ones, but I hadn't found the perfect ones. But then you go to the store and they like have a whole table of all different cuts and styles and colors, and they just go, this will work on you, this will work on you, this will work on you. And I found an amazing pair. So I'm not really in the market for jeans, but these are real cute. Let me know what you think. And they're probably quite a bit cheaper than Madewell, let's be honest. All right, I think this shirt for sure is a winner. Not sure if I need the jeans, but they're cute. I'll go try on the next outfit. Okay, here's the sweater, and it is way cuter than I thought it would be. My daughter is like face lit up. She's like, oh, I want that. I really like it, and it may be hard to tell, but the stripes are kind of heathered. They're not like blocks, and it's really cute. I think the thing that makes the difference is the length. Because if it was big and bulky, it would remind me of a dad sweater, but because it's like styled at a good length, I think it's really cute. Tell me what you think. It's soft and snuggly, and I don't know. I kind of dig it. Oh, you again. He's a scene stealer. All right. Kind of depends on the price. Maybe not. Okay, here's the turtleneck, and I like the idea of it, except for it's just too tight. It's just hugging all the stuff, all the thickens, as my friend calls it. So it's a little bit over here. I like the idea of it. It's a really cute sweater, but for me, it's not very flattering right now. It's showing off all the stuff. I mean, you can see like my bra, not just see it, but you can see every like line of the bra. It's a little tight. That's all, but it's really cute and soft. So I'll go try on the next thing. Okay, here's the next outfit, and the shirt itself is cute. It's a heathered gray, it's super soft. It's got kind of a wide sleeve, which I like the style. The length is good. It's nothing special. It would really depend on the price. I don't know if I need something like this, but it's really cute and comfy and lovely for lounging. So I think it's a perfect style. Okay, so the pants are like the waves of the ocean coming at you. You're about to get crushed by a wave. The consensus in my house is that these pants are a no. They are not flattering. They have no pockets. They have a fake fly. The tie-dye is too much. You tell me if you disagree. But it was a fat no by everyone in my house. So let me go try on the next outfit. Okay, here's the last thing, and it's this kind of light tan, I wouldn't say cream, I think it's more of a tan t-shirt. It's got a neat hem. I don't know, it's nothing special. It fits well. I think it's flattering, but nothing that great. It probably depends on the price, or if you need something like this. I'm not totally sure I need just a simple t-shirt right now. I got lots of t-shirts, but it's cute anyway. All right, let me go put my regular clothes back on and let's look at prices, because it's going to matter for a lot of this stuff. All right, be right back. Okay, it's time to look at prices because it matters. I am really glad that Wantable sent me so many cute shirts this time. I all of a sudden am going to have to start doing more video meetings, and so I was thinking I needed some new shirts that would be cute on video. So I'm really excited. I've gotten a few cute things in this box. All right, let's see if the price is right though. Okay, so the first thing is, they call it Alabaster t-shirt, and it's $44. I mean, I don't think that's a bad price for a t-shirt. Do I need an Alabaster t-shirt right now? No, I don't. I don't know, who's it by? It's by Wantable. So it's probably a no, but it's cute. Okay, this Z Supply Heather Gray A crew neck shirt is really super soft. It's 70 bucks. Is it worth it? I don't think I totally am dying over it. There's nothing super special about it except for it's ridiculously snuggly. So if you need something snuggly for lounging around in, it would be amazing. 70 bucks. All right, so I think probably my favorite piece in the box is the sweater. Yeah, I'm shocked. You too? Okay, skies are blue. It's $68. I don't think that's a bad price at all. And it's really fun and snuggly, and I'm kind of digging on it a lot. It's so stretchy. Okay, so that's in the maybe pile. All right, the jeans are, oh my gosh. Oh wait, nope, those aren't the jeans. It's the joggers. The joggers are 54, and those are a no. We don't need more tie-dye. All right, the turtleneck is on sale, probably because it's sized a little too small. And it's only $29. So if you are a size small, order a size large and it will fit you perfectly for $29. Okay, so this blue shirt, which was a crowd favorite in my house by Wantable, is $64. It's real cute. And I just don't see anything like it ever. All right, that's in the maybe pile too. And last but not least are the jeans, which I really liked and are really flattering. They're 74, but I just got another pair of jeans, so I'll have to think about what, maybe try these on again and see if I like them. They're mid-rise, and I'm kind of digging on a high-rise right now. I'll have to decide. But 74 is a good price for jeans, so worth thinking about. Okay, so tell me what you think. Striped sweater, V-neck shirt, both? I don't know. Oh wait, did I tell you? Yeah, I did tell you that the V-neck is 64. All right, well, I have a bit of a credit right now. Thank you for whoever used my code, I appreciate it. So it's gonna make it so maybe I could get 2 things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified every time I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.